Hello everyone, and welcome to this new playlist of videos dedicated to helping you sharpen your dictation skills. Although many listening tests do not explicitly contain a dictation section, the skill of being able to quickly write what you hear is invaluable in a listening exam scenario. So whether you're studying for the IELTS, Cambridge, Oxford, Pearson, or any of the other well-known exams, the skills you polish through doing these exercises will be of benefit in acing that listening test. If you're planning on taking a paper-based test, I strongly recommend doing these exercises with paper and pen, rather than using a device. If you're taking a computer-based test, then it makes sense to practice by typing at a computer. However, I would suggest turning off the spell checker or any AI that you use in the document that you're typing in as you do these videos, so that you're really testing your own skills and not being unfairly influenced by the helpful technology. In each video, we'll have 5 sentences, and I will read each sentence twice. There will be a short pause in between to give you a chance to write. We'll have the answers at the end of the video so that you can see how you did. I'm going to start the series at a fairly slow pace, but as I make more videos, I might increase the pace to make things more challenging for you. So, let's get started. Grab yourself something to write or type on and click play on episode 1.